That's correct. Well done. Okay, thank you very much, Isa. You can mute yourself. Let's go to Aruj. Hi, Aruj.
Hi.
We've got some times tables here for you.
I think it'd be 36.
Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36. Well done, Aruj. And have a go at this one, Aruj, on the piece of paper. Take your time, there's no rush.
$861.
Okay, and how did you work this out, Aruj?
I put 732 at the top and 129 at the bottom, and then I added them up.
Okay, let's see if you're right. Did you just work this out just now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you're right. So we've got 2 add 9, which is going to be 11. So we put the right number here, put the left number at the bottom, and I usually put the left number at the bottom of the 2 lines. I mean, you can put it anywhere you like. It's entirely up to you. The next one is 3 add 2 is 5, and just add the number at the bottom. So that will be 6. And then 7 add 1 is going to be 8. So the answer is 861. And Aruj, you're right about this. It is 861. Well done. So let's just pick that and go to the next one and just have a go at this one as well.
7.
Okay, so 63 divided by 9 is 7. Could you work that out that quickly, Aruj? Do you know your times tables for 9 times 7 quite easily?
Yes.
Very good. Well done. Good girl. And last one for you, Aruj.
$42.
And how did you work this one out?
I counted how many 6s there are, and there were 7 6s, so I timed 7 by 6, and then I got 42.
Well done, Aruj. Good girl. Thank you. And because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 6s, so we're just going to do 7 6s, and that's 7 times 6, and it gives us the answer 42. Okay, well done. Let's go to Shingy for this one. And just mute yourself, Shingy. Thank you. So we're just working out 156 take away 61, Shingy. Do you have some paper there where you can do some working out?
The answer is 95.
95. All right, let's just double check if you're right. So 156 take away 61. So the top number is bigger, which is great because we can just do 6 take away 1 is 5. And then 5 take away 6 we can't do because the 5 is too small at the top. And we always have to make sure that the top number is bigger. So let's go next door, cancel the 1, turn it into a 0, and borrow 1 there to make 15. And what's 15 take away 6?
9.
9, well done. And then 0 take away 0 is 0, so the answer is 95. So well done for that, Shingy. Good girl. So let's just go to 95 there, and we'll just press that, okay? And try this one as well, kindly.
The answer is 420.
And how did you work this one out?
I did 7 times 6, which equals 42, and added the 0 at the end.
Well done. So you did that pretty quickly because you did that in your head, didn't you? And that's the one way that you can do it as well. Well done. The other way you can do it is just do 7 times 0. And whenever you multiply by the number 0, the answer is always 0. And then 7 times 6 is 42. And that kind of gives us 420. So well done for that. Let's pick this option A. And have a go at this one as well, Shingy, please.
90.
Okay, and how did you work that one out?
I did 81 divided by 9, which equals 9, and added the 0.
And you just added a 0 at the end? Okay. Can you do it this way, whereby you do bus stop division? Do you know how to do this?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's try it. So can 9 go into 8?
No.
No, so you just put a 0 there. Now you join 8 with 1 to make 81. How many times can 9 go into 81?
9 times.
9 times, well done. So can 9 go into 0?
No.
So you just stick that 0 there. Can this 9 go into this 0?
No.
No. So in this case, your answer of 900 is absolutely right, okay? So, sorry, 90 is absolutely right. So in this case, what you need to do is you just make sure that you do your bus stop division properly, just to double check. I mean, if any of you do long division, then that's fine as well. That's perfectly fine. If I were to do, let's say, for example, if I were to do division, I will always do long division as opposed to bus stop division. But when I show students how to do this question, I always do bus stop division. All right, so 90 cannot go into 81. So you just put a 0 there. Now you join these three numbers together, 810. How many times can 90 go into 810? So the same thing. How many times does 9 go into 81?
90.
We know, yeah, that's right. So we just put that 90 there. And that's it. That's your answer, pretty much, okay? So good. And let's just do one more.
The answer is 63.
63. 9 times 7 is 63. Well done. Just make sure, everybody, you know your times tables, because learning your timetables right now, I mean, you should all know your times tables all the way up to 12, at least minimum, off by heart. And if you don't, then you need to polish off your times tables as quickly as possible at home, all right? Because that's something that you can learn from home, I'm afraid. No teacher or tutor can actually force you to learn your times tables. That's something that you have to do by yourselves, okay? So Shingy, thank you very much for this. Let's go to Ramesa.
Hi,
Hi, Ramesa. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay, Ramesa, so we've got 63 take away 45 for this one.
The answer is going to be 18 grams.
18, okay. And how did you work that out?
It's because I know 60 I know that 3 to 5 you can't do that. So you go to 6 and then you cross it and you add 5 there, and then you put the one next to the 4, and it's 14 take away 3 and 14
13 take away 5. So you put the one next door to 3 to make 13, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what's 13 take away 5?
13 take away 5 is 8.
Good girl, yeah. And the next one, 5 take away 4?
5 take away 4 is 1, so it's going to be 18.
Well done. Good working out there. So the answer is 18. Let's pick that one. Let's go on to the next one. And how about this one? Do you have any idea how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
The answer is 80.
Okay, so 70, yes. So which one, what am I doing now? Shall I help you with this one?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it like this. Now, what you can do is, there's two ways to do this. You can actually just divide 70 into 56, and then if it doesn't go in there, just stick a 0, and then divide 70 into 560, which is a little bit complicated, but it can be done. So let me show you another method of doing this. Let's cross out, because we've got 1 0 here and 1 0 there. Let's just cross this 0 out, okay, with this 0 here. Can you see? Does that make sense? Okay, now we're just going to divide 7 into 560. So how many times can 7 go into 5? 7 can't go into 5 because 5 is too small. So we just put a 0 there. Okay. Now we join 5 and 6 together to make 56. Do you know how many times 7 can go into 56?
No.
You can try your 7 times table and work it out. And let me know when you're ready. So 56, close, you were close. 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7, so I'll write down here for you. 7 times 6 equals 42, 7 times 7 equals 49. Can you see that? Yeah? So 7 goes into 56 8 times, so we just put 8 there, okay? And then we just see, can that 7 go into the last 0 that we have there? It can't. It can't because 0 is too small. So we just put that 0 at the top. And then that gives us the answer 80. So we don't include that 0 at the beginning. That just gives us the answer 80. Okay? So if you get questions like this, do the same thing. So let me just give you another example. Let me give you all another example how to do this, because it's probably the first time you've seen how to do these questions. So 6,400 divided by 80. So can you remember, Ramesa, what the first thing I'm going to do is? What am I going to cancel out?
You're going to cancel the 0.
Okay, let's cancel the 0 at the end. And let's cancel this 0 with 8. Now, we can just very quickly divide 640 by 8. So how many times can 8 go into 6? It can't, so we put a 0. How many times can 8 divide into 64? So 8 times 8 is 64. And then can 8 go into 0? The last 0 here? No, it can't, so you just stick that 0 on top. Okay? So good, well done. Just remember this for future reference, okay? Or this applies to all of you, by the way. So in this case, we know that the answer is going to be 80, so let's just move on to the next one. And this one is 27 at 36 centimeters. Ramesa, just try that last question, please.
Uh, 63.
Well done. You're right, 63 is correct. So put the big number on top, small number at the bottom. With adding, I suppose you can do anyway, it doesn't matter. And then 27 at 36 is 63. Well done. Thank you. And while you're here, Ramesa, just do the last one as well, 6 times 5.
It's 30.
30, okay, well done, good girl. Thank you very much, just mute yourself. And let's go to someone else. Let's go to Ruby Kate. Hi, Ruby. Hi there, Ruby. So we're on the question 21, which is 749 takeaways 167.
I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure.
I'll help you with this one. So put the big number on top.
Okay.
And then small number at the bottom. Okay, can we do 9 take away 7?
No.
We can, because the top number is bigger. So we can 9 take away 7. We can take away 7 from 9. What's 4 and 9 take away 7 be? 2, well done. Now, can we take away 6 from 4?
No.
No, because 4 is too small. So we go next door to 7, we cross it out, turn it into 6 because we're going to borrow 1, and we put the 1 next to 4 to make 14. What's 14 take away 6?
14 take
Yeah.
8.
Well done. And lastly, what's 6 take away 1?
5.
Well done. So 582 will be the correct answer here. Good. Have a go at this as well, Ruby K.
8.
Yeah, so 72 divided by 9 is 8. 8 times 9, you can always reverse it if you like. And 8 multiplied by 9 gives us 72 as well, just to double check at the same time, okay? So that will be 8. Well done. And have a go at this last one.
$90.
Yeah, good go. So let's just double check very quickly. So 36 add 54. 6 add 4 is 10. Put the 0 there. 1 is carried forward. 5 add 3 is 8. Add 1 is 9. Yeah, good. 90 it is. Well done. Good. Thank you very much, Ruby. Okay, and let's go to Isa Tariq.
Hello.
Hi, Isa. Hi there. So 49p divided by 7, please.
49p divided by 7 is, I think it's 7.
7, yes, because 7 times 7, if you just flip it around and do the opposite of division, which is always multiplication. So 7 times 7 is 49. Well done. And have a go at the subtraction question.
Okay. Is it 48 grams?
Well done. So 72 take away 24 is 48. Good lad. And have a go at this one as well.
I think it's B.
Okay, let's just check. So let me just show you this way. So 9 times 6 is 54. And you just stick those zeros, 2 zeros, at the end. Okay? So 5,400 will be our answer. Can I have a go at this one?
I think it's 56.
56, yes. Good boy, well done. Good lad. Thank you very much for that, Isa. Okay, so let me just show you. So 48 take away 36. So 48 take away 36 is going to be 12. All right, same thing. Put a big number on top, small number at the bottom, and then just minus that by itself. 8 grams times 8 is pretty simple. 8 times 8, so just work out your times tables. In this case, we know that it's going to be 64. And 720 divided by 12. So you need to know your 12 times table for this one. So I'll show you how to do this. So 720 divided by 12. So how many times can 12 go into 72? Well, it's 6 times, because 6 times 12 is 72. And 12 cannot go into 0, so that 0 goes on top, and that becomes our answer, which is 60. Okay. So we'll go for 60 there. 42 pence divided by 6. So 6 times 7 is 42, so 7p will be our answer here. And now we've just got an addition question, which is 14 centimeters add 42 centimeters. And that's going to be 56 centimeters altogether. And now we come on to the division question again. So let me just show you how to do this. So 6,300, remember we're doing bus stop division. So how many times can 9 go into 63? 9 sevens are 63. So we just put 7 there. Okay, so that's done. Can 9 go into 0? No, so you put that 0 there. Can the 9 go into the last 0? No, so we just stick the 0 there. And the answer will be 700. Okay, and 7 times 7 is 49, which we know. Again, we've got a subtraction question here. 60 centimeters take away 18 centimeters. So 60 take away 18. So you can't take 8 from 0 because the top number is too small. Remember, when you do subtraction, the top number always has to be bigger. So we go next door, cancel 6, turn it into 5, and borrow the 1. And that will be 10 take away 8 is 2. And then 5 take away 1 is 4. So 42 in this case. Okay, so 800 times 9. So there's 2 ways to do this, like I showed you before. So we can just do 8 times 9, which we know is 72. And these 2 zeros, they just come at the end. That's if you want to do it at a faster, speedier method. You don't have to. You can still do 800 times 9. You can still do it this way, all right, which is fine as well. You can do either method. So 7,200 will be our answer here. And we have 81 divided by 9, which we know is 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sevens. So 6 times 7 is 42. And now we come to 81 take away 63. Again, you do the top number, put the top number at the top, small number at the bottom, and do it that way. And that will give us 18 as our answer. Coming forward to some addition type of questions. So let's work this one out. So 856 add 49. So always make sure that the numbers are on the right hand side. Okay, and they're under each other. So they should be straight, exactly under each other like this. Just makes it easier to work out, and you don't make, well, fewer chances of making a mistake if you calculate properly, that is. So with this particular question, what's 9 add 6? So 9 add 6 is 15, so 5 goes here. 1 is carried forward. 5 add 4 is 9, and we add the 1 underneath as well, which is 10. So 0 goes there, 1 is carried forward. And the last remaining 8 that we've got left, just add 1 onto it, and that gives us 905. So C will be the answer there, 905. 64 divided by 8, or 8 times 8 is 64. And again, we've got a subtraction question here, which is 818 take away 239. Let's go to Isa, Ashra for this one.
Is it C?
579, let's work it out then, Isa, and let's check if you're right. So you can't take 9 away from 8 because 8 is too small. We can't take 3 away from 1 because 1 is too small. So let's go to the far left because 8 is bigger than 2. Cancel that, turn it into 7. Borrow the 1. I will stick the 1 here to make 11. But again, we need to cancel the 11 because we're taking the 1 away from 11. Turn it into 10 and borrow the 1 here to make 18. What's 18 take away 9?
9.
And what's 10 take away 3?
7.
And 7 take away 2?
5.
So I think you're right. 571 is correct. Let's just put that in there. Let's do the next one, Lisa. Have a go at this one.
49.
Yeah, so 21 add 28 is 49. That's right. And quite a simple one, next one.
6.
So 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 divided by 6 is going to be 6. Good. And do the last one for me, Isa, please.
22. Is it 14 centimeters?
Yes, 14 centimeters is correct. Well done. Thank you very much for that, Isa. Thank you. Just mute yourself. And let's go to Shama.
Hello.
Hi there, Shama. Have a go at this one.
I think it's 48.
48. Yeah, you're right. Well done. And do you know how to do this one? 420 divided by 7?
I think it's 70.
Let's just quickly work it out just to be sure. So 420 divided by 7. How many times can 7 go into 42, Shama? Do you just want to work that out?
6 times.
6 times, okay. And then 7 cannot go into 0. So we just put the 0 there. So that will be 60. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's just put 60 there. And Shama, try this one for me as well.
18.
18, okay, good, well done. So 36 take away 18 is 18, because 18, double 18 is 36, so good. And have a go at this one as well, last one.
I think it's 48 centimeters.
48, so 8 times 6 is 48, well done. Good go, Shama, thank you very much. And let's go to, I think everybody's answered now, haven't they? Yes, they have. Let's go to Sean quickly for the last two. Hello, Sean.
Hi.
Hi there. So 9 times 9?
81.
Good lad, well done. And we've got 54 grams divided by 6. So 54 divided by 6, we'll just use your 6 times table.
Is it A?
So 6 times 8 is 48. Try again.
Is it 9?
9, yes, because 9 times 6 is 54. And the last question for the day, 64 take away 16. Have a go at that, just work that out.
58.
Say that again, sorry?
58.
58. Just check one more time, please, Sean.
48, I mean.
48, okay, let's see. So we can't take away 6 from 4 because the 4 is too small. Let's go next door, cancel 6, turn it into 5. Borrow the 1 there to make 14. What's 14 take away 6? Or if you want, you can just count from 6 up to 14, if it's easy.
7.
Not quite. Try one more time.
I mean 8.
8, yes, okay, good. And then 5 take away 1?
4.
4, good. So 48 will be our answer there. So well done for that, Sean. Good lad. Thank you. Okay, good. So well done, everybody. Thank you very much for your contributions, and 52 questions all done. A lot of you did very well in this homework, by the way, right? But the reason we did this was because this is a core maths assessment. Just wanted to make sure that you know all your basics, right? Because this is what you need to know to do further maths. So again, if you're unsure about your times tables, if you're a little bit rusty, please make sure you memorize your times tables as well. Work on them, do plenty of practice every single day, okay? and I will see you on a Monday as usual. Just to let you know that announcement. So next week, we usually have a lesson on a Monday and a Thursday, but next week is going to be slightly different to our schedule. We'll have a lesson on a Monday next week and a Wednesday instead, because there's Eid celebrations at the end of next week. We'll bring that lesson one day earlier, and we'll have a lesson on a Monday and a Wednesday next week. All right, so just let your parents know. I will email them myself as well. In the meantime, take care. Thank you. Carry on dancing, Isa. Take care of yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.